Jean from Ohio. I am FrontPoint and this is my story. I originally selected the FrontPoint security system after having a burglary at my small business. I have a convenience store in a rural area of Ohio. The burglars out here in the rural parts realize that they probably have a good 20 minutes to do their crime before the sheriff arrives on the scene. I didn't even know about the crime until I came to work the next morning and found the mess of glass, broken glass in the store. I selected FrontPoint for many reasons, but one of the main reasons was the fact that I could remotely control the system. I could check in on it, looking into my computer. I could change the settings. For instance, I could arm it or disarm it. I could change the light schedules. Picked it because it's wireless, very reliable, it's affordable, easy to install, and it has multiple layers of security to choose from. It has heat and smoke detectors that you can install in the buildings, glass break indicators, panic alarms, and now FrontPoint has wireless cameras as well, which I'm in the process of testing. If you have a small business, I would highly recommend that you consider the FrontPoint security system.